General Beverage Sales Company is a Wisconsin-based beverage wholesaler, servicing beer, wine, spirits, and non-alcoholic products. Based out of Madison, Wisconsin, and servicing all 72 counties of the state, GB has locations in Madison, La Crosse, New Berlin, Oshkosh, Kaukauna, Stevens Point, Chippewa Falls, Barron, and Eagle River. Family truly comes first at GB. Established in 1933 and family-owned ever since, GB is celebrating 90 years and recognizes the importance of family through its fourth-generation leadership and commitment to our core values of integrity, inclusivity, competitiveness, and equity. Our mission is to be the trusted distributor partner of our suppliers and customers in order to advance our collective beverage business and support the growth of our family of employees. We strive to create an environment where our employees feel they are valued, challenged, and have the opportunity to grow. With job openings in sales, accounting, office administration, day and night warehouse, Class A and B CDL driving, and driver helpers, there are career paths for all skill sets and levels of expertise. Whether you like to be behind a desk, on the road, or building relationships face-to-face with accounts, GB provides a space for all personalities to shine. With excellent health benefits and clearly defined growth opportunities, General Beverage is a company you'll want to be a part of for years to come. Visit genbev.com/careers for more information on how to join the family.